Listen closely. Those are the voices of Hyderabad's disappearing wilderness. The Kancha Gachibowli forest is vanishing, and with it, the cries of those who call it home. For days, excavators have been clearing 400 acres of land, despite protests from students and environmentalists who say this is home to over 450 species of flora and fauna. But the Telangana government reportedly insists the land is theirs, legally acquired years ago. Officials claim development won't harm the ecosystem, but the haunting cries of peacocks echo through the ruins of their home, a final, desperate lament. Zafar Iqbal for Mojo Story.